Welcome back to Learning with a Difference. News headlines in English for 5th of August. And first of all, national news. Ram Temple consecration ceremony from January 21 to 23. PM to be invited. India's CEO met antitrust body chief over pending Vistara merger, a report said. India insulated itself from rising fuel prices by reducing tax, minister. 19 missing after Uttarakhand landslide. Kedarnath Yatra stopped. Supreme Court relief for Rahul Gandhi in Modi surname case. And 20 injured Indian crew members rescued from burning ship off Dutch coast. Supreme Court allowed Gyanvapi Mosque survey to continue with rider. And now some international news. Pak Court reserved order on petitions by Imran Khan in Toshakhana case. China to ease visa regulations in an attempt to boost economy. Japan to host Iran foreign minister, seek curbs on Russia weapons supply. Russia doubled 2023 defense expenditure amid rising Ukraine war cost. State of emergency in Ethiopia after clashes between army and militia. 100 days into strike, Hollywood writers, actors to meet studio officials, Los Angeles. China's Beijing witnessed highest rainfall in 140 years. Now some sports news. The Indian team is set to take part in the International Blind Sports Federation World Games 2023. Left-handed batter Tamim Iqbal will be able to return to training only by the end of this month. Yogesh D is now the highest ranked Indian in the rankings ahead of the Vishwanathan Anand. Glenn McGrath is a 3-time World Cup winner and the leading wicket taker in the history of the tournament. India lost the first T20 international against West Indies by 4 runs. The second match of the series will be played at Providence, Guyana on Sunday. Business-related news. SBI reported its highest ever quarterly profit at 16,884 crore. Navigating the trade winds, a digital revolution in global commerce. Corrosion leads to losses worth USD 110 billion in India annually, a report said. Zomato share jumped 14%, hit 52-week high after first ever quarterly profit. Now, science-related news. James Webb Telescope captured stunning image of Ring Nebula. Giant solar storm struck Earth, Moon and Mars together for first time in history, a study said. And that's all in news. Thank you.